Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 kind of grass for garden landscape. Before that, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Okay, here are 10 kind of grass for garden landscape. Number 1. Mexican feather grass. The Mexican feather grass can be used in almost any space throughout your landscape. This ornamental grass is a fast grower. You can expect it to reach a height of 12 to 24 inches and spread out to 30 inches. With its versatility, it looks incredible when used as a mass planting. Number 2. Switchgrass, Panicum virgatum. Panicum virgatum is a versatile plant that would be welcomed in almost any garden. We like mass planting them in groups in either garden bed borders or pool areas because they provide texture, color and contrast. Panicum virgatum is also great for attracting butterflies and birds. Number 3. Blue fescue. Blue fescue is a beautiful perennial grass that brings texture to any garden. Its indelicate hues are a great addition to your landscape. As mentioned, it's a low-maintenance plant, and you can clean them up early spring before it resumes active growth in its growing season. Number 4. Cordgrass. Smooth cordgrass is a true grass native to North America. It is a coastal wetland plant that reproduces prolifically in moist to submerged soils. Growing smooth cordgrass as a garden plant imparts oceanside beauty and ease of care. It is also important in establishing wild plant stands for birds and as a food source for snow geese. Number 5. Japanese forest grass. Japanese forest grass are ideal perennials for southwest British Columbia as they prefer cool summers and mild, rainy winters. Plants grow as clumps from underground rhizomes, but they are not invasive as they are slow growers. Although they are not known for their hardiness, they do withstand 25 degrees Celsius. Number 6. Northern sea oats. Northern sea oats is a great grass for part shade sites. Many grasses demand full sun for strong, upright growth and good color, but this tough perennial grows best in partial shade. Count on its leaves to take on a dark green color in partial shade. Full sun plants have light green foliage. Number 7. Purple fountain grass. Purple fountain grass grows best in full sun in well-drained soil. It is a moderately drought-tolerant, heat-tolerant, low-maintenance ornamental plant. Plants spread, so should be spaced at least 3 feet apart. Clumps can be divided easily to produce more plants or to refresh old clumps, which can have dieback in the center. Purple fountain grass does not produce viable seeds. Number 8. Maiden grass, Grassolimus. As a tall plant, maiden grass can be used in the back rows of flower beds to serve as a light-colored backdrop for black flowers and other dark plants, or it can be used in beds as a focal point, surrounded by smaller plants. Its fine texture provides a nice contrast to plants with coarse textures. Number 9. Feather reed grass. Feather reed grass is one of few ornamental grasses that tolerates moist to almost wet soils. This makes these plants a great option for rain gardens or boggy areas. Plant this grass in well-drained, fertile, rich soil that remains consistently moist. Once established, feather reed grass can tolerate occasional droughts. Number 10. Ravenna grass. Ravenna grass or hardy pampas grass is the answer. Structurally, this grass is very similar in size and shape with tall white wispy plumes, but it can handle -degree weather, unlike its original counterpart. Ravenna grass is in another genus and species altogether. Arianthus raveni is a hardy perennial to zones 5 to 9. That's it. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you like this video, click that red subscribe button down below, and make sure you guys have any notifications turned on, so you never miss those upcoming videos. And see you next time.